Hi friends, welcome to my channel. You might have seen these cool pics online where the text is overlaid on the image. Ever wondered how that effect is made? You don't even need Photoshop skills or After Effects skills to make this effect. You don't even need a PC to make this effect. You just need an app called Snapseed. I'll show you how this effect is made using Snapseed. Let's get started. To install this app, go to Play Store and type Snapseed. Since it's already installed in my phone, I'm just opening it. When you open this app, you will see this plus icon to add a photo. Click on it and select your image. Now click on Tools bar at the bottom and select Text. When you tap on the text, you will see a little pop-up. Choose your font, click on the text box to add your text. You can position your image by dragging on the text, increase or decrease the opacity as required, and also choose colors from the toolbar section. Once you have selected the color, zoom in or out based on the requirement and click on right tick button at the bottom. Now you will see a new page with new tools. Click on arrow icon at the top and click on view edits. Now click on text and select brush tool. Once you have selected the brush tool, the text disappears. But don't worry. Swipe anywhere on the image where you have added the text and the text will start appearing. At the bottom, you will see text exposure settings. If it is set to 100%, if you brush, the text will appear at the foreground. As you decrease it, the text will start fading. To add more depth, you can zoom in and set the exposure to adjust the edges. If you are happy with the output, click on side arrow button at the top left and the final image will be rendered. If you wish, you can add another layer of text to the existing image and follow the same steps. As mentioned, you can select different types of fonts and colors to make your image more attractive. Once done, click on Export button, select Export, and the image will be saved in your gallery. Here is the final image. I hope you liked it.